Hello students, in this video we'll discuss numerical based on resistance and resistivity. We know that resistance is a property of a substance to resist the flow of current, and specific resistance is known as resistivity. In this video, numerical based on resistance resistivity will be discussed. So here first question is, a heater of resistance value of R resistance is 50 ohms. Heater of resistance value of R is given, connected to 220 volts, potential difference is given. How much current will be drawn? What is given? Resistance value of R is given, value of V is given, and current I we have to find. First of all, we'll write all the given values and unknown values. 50 ohms is value of R resistance, 220 volt is value of potential difference, that is V, and amount of current we have to find. Now we'll try to recollect our memory. So we will see R equal to V upon I. There is a formula which shows relation between given and unknown. R equal to V upon I. Here R is resistance. What is resistance? Property of a substance to resist the flow of current. Its SI unit is ohm. If 1 volt potential difference is developed when 1 ampere current is flow, in that case resistance will be 1 ohm. R equal to V upon I. Now on putting these values in formula, I equal to V upon R, value of V is given, R is given, 220 upon 50. First of all 0 will cut, 5 4 are 20, and after placing decimal, value of I is 4.4 ampere. A heater of resistance value of R is given, value of V is given, value of I we have to find. We know that R equal to V upon I is a formula which shows relation between R, V and I. Interchanging the place of R and I is I equal to V upon R. On putting values here, I equal to 4.4 ampere. Next question in this series, calculate the resistance. Here R is unknown quantity that we have to find. If current is 0.2 ampere, I is given, and potential difference is 0.8 volt. Value of R to find. Current I is given and potential difference V is also given. Again we'll write values which are given, values which we have to find. R not there, I 0.2 ampere, potential difference 0.8 volt, and relation between these R equal to V upon I. On placing values of V and I, 0.8 upon 0.2, after decimal 1 digit is here, after decimal 1 digit is here, decimal we can cut, remaining quantity is 8 upon 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are 8, R equal to 4, but unit of resistance is ohm, so R equal to 4 ohm. Whenever we are writing answer, in that case unit must be written. Value of R is 4 ohms. Next question, we have a wire conductor, resistance is R. This wire is pulled so that its length is doubled. Find the new resistance. We know that R equal to rho L upon A. This is relation between resistivity and resistance. Find a new resistance. We have a wire, we have a conductor whose resistance is given R. This wire is pulled, length increased. Length become how much? Double. If we'll consider any wire, whether it is 10 centimeter long, 5 centimeter long, it is increase, length in increase or decrease. Length will increase, then area of cross section will decrease. But volume in both the cases will remain same. R equal to rho L upon A, this is formula. We know that wire is cylinder and area of cylinder is pi r, volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Wire is cylindrical and volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Pi r square, area of cross section, that we can write as A, and length of wire we'll consider as height, so h replaced by L. Whether length is doubled, half, or any change is made in length, even then volume of conductor will not change. So any question which is in the form length is changed, if length will change, automatically its area of cross section will change. So we'll not go to that point. We know that wire is cylinder and volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Pi r square, area of cross section replaced by A, and height replaced by L. So this type of question we can solve by this formula, V equal to L upon A. From here find out A equal to V upon L, and this value of A will place here. A equal to rho as it is, R equal to rho, here it is, by mistake it is written A, actually it is R. R equal to rho L upon A, but in place of A we'll write V upon L. So rho as it is, L as it is, and A replaced by V upon L. In simplest form or its further simplification, so L will shift in numerator. It become what? Rho L square upon V. Rho as it is, L upon V as it is, and it become L upon 1. So L into L, that become L square. So value of R is rho L square upon V. Whenever in question length is changed, that time formula will apply R equal to rho L square upon V. Again I am explaining this. R equal to rho L upon A. We know that V equal to L into A, or A equal to V upon L. Here A, by mistake it is written A, actually it is R. Value of R equal to rho, and A will be replaced by V upon L. So rho L upon V upon L. L will shift in numerator. It becomes R equal to rho L square upon V. So directly you can apply this formula. When length will change, in that case resistance we can find with this one. Now its length is doubled. In place of L, it will be written as 2L. According to question, length become twice. L replaced by 2L. And on squaring, so 2L square become how much? 4L square. New resistance, suppose R dash, rho as it is, 2L whole square upon V. On squaring 2L will get 4L square. The new resistance equal to resistivity 4L square upon V. Now, this equation R equal to rho L square upon V is divided by this. Left hand side will divide by left hand and right hand side will divide by right hand. R upon R dash, and here rho L square upon V and whole upon rho 4L square upon V. From here rho will cut direct. This row in numerator and this in denominator. It will cut 1 upon V, and here also 1 upon V. It will also cut. What is remaining? 4L square from here and L square from here. Now 4L square upon L square. L square will also cut. R and R dash. So cross multiply, it become R upon R dash. Actually here this value is wrong. Sorry for this. On dividing R upon R dash, from here 4L square upon L square will cut. R upon R dash equal to 4. On cross multiplying, R dash equal to 4 times of R. So new resistance will be 4 times of given resistance R. Given resistance is R, and new resistance will be 4 times of this R. Here this step A is not here, it is R, and this is not V, this is L square. So make correct in your copies. R equal to rho L upon A, and volume of cylinder pi R square H, pi R square replaced by A, H replaced by L. From here value of A will get V upon L, and this will place here. So new formula will be obtained, R rho L square upon V. This is first equation. L replaced by 2L. So here it becomes 2L whole square, that is 4L square. Here by mistake V is written, so it is also, you will write L square. This step you can cut, no need. This is wrong. R upon R dash equal to 4L square upon L square. L square will cut, cross multiply. New resistance will be 4 times of its original resistance. Next question in this series, a cylinder of material is 10 centimeter long, means length is given, cross section area 2 centimeter is given. If resistance is 20 ohms, R is given. Length 10 centimeter L. Area of cross section value of A 2 centimeter square. Resistance is 20 ohms. Find the resistivity rho we have to find. L, length of conductor, length of wire, it is given 10 centimeter, but in standard form length should be written in meter. So 10 upon 100, that is meters. Area of cross section 2 centimeter square, 2 as it is, and centimeter square we have to convert in meter square. So again it is 100 into 100. Length was given in centimeter, so divided by 100 to change in meters. Area of cross section 2 centimeter square. Centimeter square we have to change in meter square. So 2 upon 100 into 100. L, A, and value of R is given 20 ohms. R equal to rho L upon A. R equal to rho L upon A. This is resistance, resistivity, length of conductor, and area of cross section. From here rho as it is. L upon A is shifted to the left side. We know that when terms shifted from one side to another side, in that case its sign will change. Plus become minus, minus become plus, multiplication will change in division, division will change in multiplication. R as it is, L upon A, so it become A upon L. What we have to find? Resistivity. So resistivity will remain one side and all other terms will be transferred from one side to another. Again, cylinder of material 10 centimeter long, its length that is given in centimeter, first of all will change in meter. Area of cross section A 2 centimeter squares, this also we have to change in meter square. Its resistance is already given 20 ohms. Now relation between resistance and resistivity, R equal to rho L upon A. L upon A transferred to the left side, R into A upon L equal to rho. Now on putting values, R is 20, area of cross section first will write, area 20 upon 100 into 100, value of A. R is already given 20 and it is given 10 upon 100. So on simplifying, R A L equal to rho 20 upon 100 into 100 is value of A. Actually area of cross section is 20 upon 100 into 100 and 2 10 upon 100, 100 will cut from here and finally remaining is 4 upon 100 and 4 upon 100 means 0.04 ohm per meter. Again, length in centimeter, in meters, centimeter squares given, divided by 100 into 100 because power is 2, and R is given 20 ohms. R equal to rho L upon A. R into A upon L is value of resistivity. On putting this value, don't get confused. Here it is 20. Actually, it is 2 upon 100 into 100 and here 20. So from here 0 I am placing this side. On simplifying, it becomes 4 upon 100 dividing 0.04 ohm per meter. So this is formula to find unknown value when resistance, length of conductor, area of cross section of conductor is given and resistivity we have to find. Next question in this series, resistance of wire is 20 ohms, R is given, length increased to twice, length is increasing, because of that area of cross section will decrease, but in both the cases volume of this conductor will remain same. Resistance of a wire, value of R 20 given, its length is increased twice. When length will increase, area of cross section will change, but in both the cases its volume will remain same. This we have to keep in our mind. R is 20 ohm. We know that R equal to rho L upon A, but volume equal to A upon L. So from here value of A will place here, R rho L upon V upon L. In previous question also we have discussed on this. R equal to rho L upon A. R equal to rho L square upon V in this step. If L is shifted to numerator, then L into L, it become L square. Resistance, resistivity as it is, L into L, so it become L square upon V. this formula will be used when length of conductor is changed, because when length will change, area of cross section will change, but volume will remain same. Cylinder wire is cylindrical in shape, so its volume is pi r square h. In place of pi r square, we can write A, height replaced by L. So from here, value of A will place in this formula. On simplifying, it become rho L square upon V. If length become twice, so L replaced by 2L, and on squaring it become 4L square. This equation is divided by this equation. So left hand upon left hand side terms and right hand side upon right hand side terms. Rho upon V. Rho upon V. Rho upon V, and here also rho upon V. So direct we can cut. What is remaining? L square. What is remaining here? 4L square. So L square upon 4L square. R upon R dash, and here L square upon 4L square. Common term L square will cut. R upon R dash equal to 1 upon 4. On cross multiplying, it become R dash equal to 4 times of R, and in question value of R is 20. On putting this value here, R dash equal to 4 into 20. 20 into 4, it become 80 ohms. So new resistance or resistance in new situation becomes 80 ohms. So in this video, we have discussed question based on R equal to V upon I and R equal to rho L upon A. Thank you.